Hi guys, do you want to add some rain effects in this image like real quick? It's pretty easy. You can simply use my Photoshop Action, where you can find the links to download in the description below. Hit the download button and open it, and here window Action, and you find the effects here, and then simply hit the play button. The rain will be generated in seconds and you can see it here. You can even change the direction of the rain, the speed of the rain, and you can also change or modify the intensity of the rainfall. That's pretty cool. You can apply to any images you want instantly. That is done in one click only. And if you want to know how to create these awesome effects, you can jump into this tutorial later. So let's get started. Let's create a new file, size 1080 by 1080. Now go to action, because we're going to create an action for the rain effects. Let's hit this one and name it rain. So now the action is recording, so whatever you do here is going to be recorded in the action script here. Okay, now let's reset. Make sure to reset this swatch to black and white, and then now you duplicate this layer, name it rain, right click and convert to smart object. The first effects we're going to use is render fibers. 64 by 13 is the value. And then go to image adjustment levels, drag the slider up until here, and then go back to filter, this time Gaussian blur, around this value 3 or 4, and then go back to image adjustment levels and drag the slider like this. And then next go to blur, motion blur. Now you see the rain start to making a shape. Press OK. Now you have this kind of ugly white area here. Let's hide that. Go to edit, free transform, and transform around like this one. There, it's gone. Now the last part, change the mode to screen. So basically the effect is done, so you can stop the recording. Now you can apply this rain action to any image that you want. Let's say for example I'm going to use this image. Now simply run this action by pressing this one, and there you have it. That's your rain effects. Now you can modify the effects by changing the value of these effects, because this is smart object, so you can go back to the settings you did before. Say for example if you want to change the direction of the rain, go to this motion blur, double click it and change the angle. For example, you'll change the direction of the rain, and distance is for the speed of the rain. This is going faster, this is going slower, so you can choose whatever you want. You can also change the intensity of rain by editing the Gaussian blur and the levels. Say for example, go to Gaussian blur. Let's increase the radius. You get a fewer rain as before. So let's see the difference. And you can also edit that with levels. If you put this down to the left, I think you will see more rain. Yes. So you can adjust the settings to your likings. And now if you want to give the rain a little bit more color, you can choose adjustment and color balance. And if you want the rain a little bit more blue, simply drag the sliders to blue. You can see here. And if you want to yellow, simply drag the slider around here. And you can press OK, and this effect is saved here, so you can change again. You can reduce the intensity of the rain in some parts of the image by using a layer. Let's create that. I'll name it dodge burn because we're going to use dodge and burn. And make sure you check mark this and set the mode to overlay, and don't forget to fill with overlay neutral color. And we're going to use burn tool to remove some part of the rain here. Yeah, as simple as that. And you can also use dodge to restore the rain. Well, that's it for the tutorial. If you have any more questions, you can add comments below. Until then, see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and bye bye.